So you can come here to East Grampians Health Service for testing. There's also testing available at Stawell Regional Health as well, so either place is fine.
Our testing clinics run between 1:30 and 3, 5 days a week, and we make appointments on the weekends.
So you need to ring up to make an appointment, and then you'll be allotted a time. There's a outdoor marquee set up here at the hospital. You drive into the marquee and the nursing staff will meet you there, and they will do the procedure while you're in your car.
You will not be charged for any testing here, no. You need your Medicare card, so we need identification, and we just will need all your details. So that's all you need to be tested here. For the majority of the tests, you will be tested in your car, so we make it as easy as possible. If you need to come in, we've certainly can take precautions, and we can do that as well.
Look, the whole procedure itself doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. Once you've rang up earlier in the day and given all your details over, all the paperwork's filled out. You just need to sign a consent form to get your results via SMS, and then you just have the test done, and then you're free to go home and isolate.
Again, if you've got symptoms and you've been with your family and they have symptoms as well, we would be requesting or asking them all to be tested if that was to be the case.
When you ring up and say you have symptoms and give your details over the phone, you will be instructed to commence your isolation from that time. So that means no going to the supermarket or the chemist before you come up to get tested. And after you've had the test, you're then asked to go home and isolate again. So that means not going out anywhere, not meeting with any friends or having anyone over. Some people, like healthcare workers, are given a higher priority, and so their results will almost always be back within that 24 hours. If you're not prioritised for your job or where you've been or who you've been in contact with, then your results could take anywhere from 48 to say 72, just to cover it. But yeah, usually between 24 to 72 hours, most people's results are back. And then that will then guide what you can do next. You will be contacted by the Department of Health, and they will give you further instructions around your isolation requirements from there on in. If it's a negative result, you're free to resume your activities. As long as you don't have any actual symptoms you might spread around the community, it's best to minimise your contact with other people regardless of whether you have COVID or another respiratory illness.
Yes, we've had people that have been tested more than once, so if you've had symptoms, it's gone away. Symptoms have come back several weeks later, or in some cases months later. So we've had people that have been tested on multiple occasions.